Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how you can change font in Shopify. It's very easy to do. First go to your Shopify store. Now here you will see your store theme. Go to see the theme, go to online store, then select theme. Now from here you will see your current theme, then select customize from here. Then you will see a setting gear icon here, theme settings, then select it, and here you will see an option typography. Select it. Now here you can see an option font. From here you can change font from here. You can, for example, I am selecting this one. Now you can see, and this will change this time. If you I'm changing this one, and now you can see here it will be changed right away. Then select this theme and then just select save, and that's it. That's how you can change theme on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tech tips like these.